I'm going to go over what you'll find in setting part of our app and give you a quick intro of what's here, including app languages, reports, inventory settings, and more. Notify Me comes in more than 10 languages. The language of our app is based on what Shopify language you are using. However, if you want to continue in another language, you can do it from here. You can get timely reports from us about performance, requests, widgets, and updates. You can turn them on or off from here, and you can also change the contact details of you or others developing the stores for you. So we can reach out to you if any issues arises. Here are some sample emails I got on my demo store when a user requested a product, a monthly report, and a notice that some of my notifications will not be sent because of my plan limits. If you have more than one inventory and you want notifications to be sent only if restock from one specific inventory, here is where you can do this. Let's say I have 3 locations, one in Canada, one in Dubai, and in Hong Kong. I don't want my customers to get the restock notification if I restock my Dubai inventory. I can remove that from here. From now on, the restock notification will be sent only if I restock from Canada or Hong Kong. Here in the billing section, I can see what charges from Notify Me has gone into my account. You can see the details from the price of the app, SMS prices, and pre-order fees. We try to keep this as clear as possible, so you can plan all your restock and pre-order campaigns with a clear insight of how much it'll cost. Notify Me has a really nice list of partners that you can integrate your store with. The list varies from page builders to marketing platforms. The list grows, so make sure you visit this part. Also, if you have any other tool that you want Notify Me to integrate with, feel free to let us know and we'll add it in the next updates. Go to your account settings, then integration, and Shopify contact in your Notify Me dashboard. Click on the connect button. You will be prompted to grant Notify Me access to your Shopify contacts. Here is how to do this. Click on Shopify contact access button and you will be redirected to the below page. Click on the Update app to update the app's access. Once the app's permissions are updated, you will be redirected to the Notify Me homepage. Please head back to the Setting, Integration page, and click on the Connect button for Shopify Contact. Check the configuration box and click on the Save button. Now, this option will be added to your subscription form. That is basically all there is to it. Now, all customers who have registered for restock alerts and have this option selected will automatically be added to your Shopify admin customers section. These customers will have the tag restock and the product name they have been submitted a request for. Once you finish configuring options on Notify Me, you can go to Pagefly page and use this element inside Pagefly with ease. If you face any issues here, feel free to message ours or Pagefly's team and we'll be there with you in a second. First, you need to go to Account Settings, then Integration, after that Klaviyo, and then click on the Connect button. You will see a page like this that requires your Klaviyo private and public API keys. You can learn how to find Klaviyo API keys here. After inserting your API keys, the app will be connected to Klaviyo. Now, this option will be added to your subscription form. If your customers check this option when submitting their request, their email addresses will be added to a list called Restock. You can find this list in a Lists and Segments section of Klaviyo. The customer will have the tag Restock and the name of the product they have submitted a request for. You can then use this list on a campaign. Or you can select the list, Tag it with your desired tag and run the campaign for emails with that tag. Go to Account Settings now and then Integration. You will see the OmniSend option. Click on the Connect button. Here you need to enter your OmniSend API key. Go to the OmniSend account. From the top right corner, click on your store's name and select Store Settings. From the left sidebar, find the API key option. If you haven't created any API key yet, click on the Create API Key button and copy your key. Go back to your Notify Me panel and paste the key. Click on the Save button. You're good to go now. After connecting the Notify Me app with OmniSend, this checkbox will be added to your request form, and the email of those who have this checked when submitting a request will be added to your OmniSend account. You can see them on the Audience tab. All the customers of Notify Me app will have the tags Restock and the product name the customer has submitted a request for, and you can use this tag later on in your automation. To use Push Owl for your back-in-stock push notifications, please do the following. Log into your Notify Me dashboard, go to the Notification tab and select the Push Notification option. In the Push Notification tab, you will see an alert that you need to first install Push Owl before you can activate push notifications. If you already have Push Owl installed, simply click on the Integrate button. You will be directed to Integration tabs. Click on Connect to establish the integration with Push Owl. Return to the Notification tab. You will notice that the Push Owl is now successfully integrated. You will also see a Customize button, which allows you to edit the text and the button of the push notifications. You are now all set to send push notifications via Push Owl whenever items are restocked in your store. Step 1. Enable MailChimp integration. The first step to enable MailChimp integration with your Notify Me app. Here is how. From the Notify Me dashboard, navigate to the Account Settings tab, click on Integrations. You will see an option for MailChimp integration. Click on the Connect button. Step 2. Find your MailChimp API keys. Next, you will need to find your API keys to enter the fields that appear after clicking on the Connect button. Log into your MailChimp account. Click on the store name in the top right corner and click on Profile. Click on Extras and then the API key. If you don't already see an API key, click on Create API Key and copy it. Step 3. Connect Notify Me to MailChimp. Go to your Notify Me dashboard and paste the API key in the provided field. Then you will be able to see the list you want the emails to be sent to. Select from the list and click on Connect. Step 4. Sending email addresses to MailChimp. After setting up the integration as above, this option will be added to your request form. When customers submit a request with this option on, which by default is, their email address will be added to your MailChimp audience as subscribers with the tag Restock. You can then target this tag and customer in your marketing campaigns. There are cases where you will need to move from another back-in-stock or pre-order app to Notify Me. To do so, you will need an export file from your previous app once you're on Notify Me app. Head over to the Back-in-Stock section. Here, you can see the button Import Requests, which lets you import the file. Once you click here, you can see the sample CSV file that Notify Me processes. However, if your file is not like this, you can edit it to look like this, or send a ticket to our support team via this live chat bubble, and our team will take care of the editings for you. Now, I will upload it, and after a check to see all requests are valid and the file is correct, you will be notified. After that, an email will be sent to all your contacts to check if you have their consent to receive the emails. Next, you will be able to send restock notifications in the future. Also, sometimes Notify Me just doesn't work for you. Although we'll make sure to help you all along the way, you can export your data and migrate to another app. To do so, head over to any section you want and hit the export button at the top. Let's say I want to export all the requests for this product on my Shopify store. I'll go over and filter that out. Then I will hit export so that I can have it on the go. Thank you very much and enjoy using Notify Me.